I'm very, very excited to try your tuna sauce for your pasta.
That was a recipe that my mother-in-law taught me.
Interesting.
And that is, and it's an island recipe, but it's not a Jamaican recipe, it's a Sicilian recipe. So what you have going on there is you've got the Jewish influence, which you can tell by the addition of cinnamon. And the addition of, it's a salt and sweet. The sweet and sour is always an indication in Italy or Europe, I would say, of some sort of a Jewish element to it. So you have the cinnamon, you have the pine nuts, you have the raisins, and then you have the Sicilian flavors, which of course are the capers and the olives, and you add in the bay leaf, you know. So I really haven't added that much to it, except maybe the hot pepper. I added the Scotch bonnet in.
Yeah.
And, but of course, I mean, there's a little bit more to it than that. You know, it's the way you cook things. You know, when I cook Jamaican things now, there'll be a little Italian to it because it's been so many years.